Fresh squeezed lemonade is just moments away with this simple recipe. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today I'm making a fresh squeezed lemonade. It's so easy to make, and you can actually adjust it to your taste. You can make it tart, you can make it extra sweet, or you can even add some flavorings that I'll talk to you about later. So to make your lemonade, all you're going to need is some fresh squeezed lemon juice, water, and sugar. So the water and sugar here are to make a simple syrup, and the simple syrup will sweeten up the tartness of your lemonade. So that's where we're gonna make a little more simple syrup than you need for this recipe, and then you can use the rest for cocktails or iced tea, or to add to your lemonade if you don't like it so tart. Some produce departments have some fresh squeezed lemon juice, which works well in a pinch as well, but I would highly recommend squeezing your own lemons. It just takes a little bit more time. If you have kids, just put them to work. So to make our simple syrup, we're gonna go to the stove, and it's 1 cup of sugar to 1 cup of water. We're just gonna cook that mixture together until all of the sugar is dissolved. And then you have simple syrup. It's so simple. Syrup. Now that our simple syrup is already prepared, we're gonna pour this back in the measuring cup so I can measure out 1 cup. Just pour it all in here and then eyeball it. And ideally you wanna let this kind of cool to room temperature. Otherwise you're gonna have like hot lemonade, which is fine, but nobody likes hot lemonade. And then I have 3 cups of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And so I'm just gonna pour my lemon juice into this pitcher. And this is great. The simple syrup here, if you wanna flavor it with like mint or lavender, I actually have a lavender lemonade on my website, which is really amazing and floral, light, perfect for summer. But you can really flavor this with anything. You can add blueberries. I also have a strawberry lemonade. It's really versatile to mix this up. We're gonna pour 1 cup of simple syrup in here. And then you need 4 cups of water. So I'm just gonna go get some water. So we're gonna add our water to the lemons, sugar, and just give that a stir. And now we made lemonade. And I can smell it. You can smell the freshness of the lemons. It smells so good. And then, if I had a knife, I would cut some lemons. For visual purposes, I like to add some sliced lemons to my lemonade. It's even better if you think ahead and you freeze these, because then it'll make your lemonade cold. But it just looks pretty, and then you know, like, it's lemonade. If you're making a strawberry lemonade and you add like strawberry puree to this, you can add some sliced strawberries in there as well. And I'm going to get some ice in my glasses and then pour myself a glass of fresh squeezed lemonade. So I have some ice in my glass for my hot lemonade. We're gonna pretend it's not hot. And I just like a few slices of lemons for the side of my glass. I'm gonna pour the lemonade into my glasses. Just pour myself a glass, since nobody's here with me. It smells so good. And there you go, freshly squeezed lemonade. See how easy that was? It's super tart, because I like my lemonade to taste like lemon, but you can definitely tamper that with some more simple syrup. It's fruity and refreshing and perfect for a hot summer day. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.